guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig. They sent me over one of their new units and I'll be installing it and giving you my review. These are the little goodies that came in the package. I got some clips, I got a comb, and also this wig cap. So this is the unit, guys. It is their 4-in-1 pre-max wig. This unit is pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and it's pre-styled. So it's a no work needed unit. You can take it from the package and put it on your head. It is a 13x6 lace frontal wig with a deep parting space that has been plucked for you and pre-bleached all the way through. And also this is a Yaki unit and it is in 16 inches. This is what the construction is looking like. It has combs and it also has this adjustable band. I will leave the link to the unit in the description of the video, so please go ahead and check it out. This is definitely given. It's a beginner friendly unit, guys, and this means this is going to be a very quick install. Right now I am just adjusting the unit on my head, but this is from the package straight to my head. I did absolutely nothing to this and the lace is looking so good. This is an invisible lace that they constructed the unit with. You can see here absolutely no sprays and the lace is already looking melted into my skin. So let me just go ahead and give you guys a closer look. I think they did such a good job with the hairline. You can part the unit through to change the parting space, and it has been bleached for you all the way through, a deep bleaching space, and also it has been deeply plucked so you can part it through and play around with different hairstyles. Right now all I'm doing is cutting the excess lace where my ears will be. So over this side I notice it's hanging a little bit on my ear and I want that to be comfortable, so that's all the cutting I will be doing. And I'm just in awe at how good this lace looks and also how fitted it is, because usually, you know, getting a glueless frontal wig is no easy task, guys. It always kind of lifts, it always looks a bit odd, but look at this. A 13x6 frontal that can be worn absolutely glueless. No baby hair is required. As you can see, it is just seamlessly melting into my skin with absolutely no work. So for the girls that do not like the baby hair, they love a more natural look but they're afraid to cut the lace, you're afraid to pluck the lace, this I think is the one for you because it is 100% beginner friendly. Right now I am just using my wax stick and my hot comb throughout the front to get that a little bit more flat. You know, no work is needed, but you always want to get that fresh out the salon look, so that is what I am accomplishing here. Really, I'm just passing the time because I have time on my hands today, but if I needed to rush out, trust, I could just put this unit on my head and head through the door and I would still be fine. To get an even more melted look, guys, all I'm going to be adding to my unit is this foaming lotion, and I'm going to be just adding this to the front where the lace is at and into the hairline. This allows a glueless, sprayless melt, but for everything to just look smooth, all the hair to the front will be laid. And this I think is the perfect summer unit, because now that it has gotten so hot in the summer, we do not want any glues, we do not want any sprays, but we still want to look put together because we're just girls, right? We love to look put together. So this foaming lotion will accomplish the fresh out the salon look without the work that's needed when you go to the salon to spend hours to get just one install done. This is something you can absolutely do on your own in less than 5 minutes. So I went ahead and flat ironed the unit, guys. Now let's take a look on this lace and the hairline, because that is our focus. And look at this, guys. Gorgeous. Absolutely blended, melted into my skin with no glue, no sprays, no baby hair to hide the lace or cover anything up. I'm showing you what it is. No makeup on the lace at all. Just to add a final touch, I'm using my concealer to brighten the parting space. And that's it for the installation of this unit, guys. And this is the final look, guys. I should also tell you I did not experience any excessive shedding with this unit at all. So with no shedding, this will allow your unit to last longer, so you can have it for a very long time. Again, it's a beginner friendly unit, as you can see. No glues, no sprays, and no baby hair. No makeup over the lace to hide anything. So this is exactly what you'll be getting. The link to the unit is in the description, so please go ahead and check it out. And thank you so much to Myfirstwig for sending this over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.